Noam here, and today we're going to talk about some safety features of the QRAB dealing with the quick release mechanism. So the coolest thing in the QRAB actually is the ability to disconnect yourself very quickly from the rope. Now how it's done, you push the red button and you pull out the handle. Okay? Now when you have this kind of mechanism that enables you to quickly release yourself, you must be a little bit concerned about what happens if I operate this mechanism by accident. So I want to show you today why you don't have to worry so much because of the safety features. So the first thing is what happens to the QRAB while in the pouch preparing yourself for the rappel. Okay? So I'm worried a little bit about this red button here. But hey, there's some protective lips here. Okay? So anything beside my thumb trying to push against the handle won't push the red button itself. So again, in the pouch, here, working and stuff, most of the chances that the red button won't be pushed from that. Moving on, starting my rappel, I'm on the rope. This is the scariest moment for me to accidentally disconnect from the rope. Now, because of the cam that manages the friction here is part of the handle, what happens that when the operator is on the QRAB, all his weight is transferred to the cam itself, to the handle. So if I will try to push the handle, okay, while hanging on the rope, cannot be done. Okay, you won't be able to pull the handle out because of the weight on the cam. Moving on, let's say I stop my rappel in the middle. I'm on a balcony, on a shelf or something. Okay, again, the double action mechanism of releasing the rope prevents you from doing it by accident. Okay, because those two actions is simultaneously almost to push the red button and to pull the handle. Okay, to push the button and to pull the handle by accident, I don't think it can be done. Alright? So, to wrap up, I have the quick release mechanism. Okay? But it cannot be operated by accident. Protective lips to the red button. The mechanism, the geometry that transfer all the load to the handle itself, and the double action mechanism to actually take the handle up.